Unlock the benefits of homemade fermented chicken feed. Welcome to our DIY guide on making fermented chicken feed at home, a simple way to boost your flock's health. First, you'll need your regular chicken feed. This can be grains, pellets, or crumbles, anything your chickens usually eat. Take a clean bucket and pour in your feed. Then, add enough water to completely submerge the feed, with an inch to spare. Next, stir the mixture gently. This ensures the feed is evenly soaked, setting the stage for fermentation to begin. Cover the bucket with a cloth, allowing it to breathe while keeping out pests. Let it sit in a cool place. After 24 to 48 hours, you'll notice bubbles forming. This means fermentation is working, making the feed more nutritious. Finally, serve this probiotic-rich feed to your chickens. Watch as they enjoy their healthier, more digestible meal, courtesy of your efforts.